Good morning! Day 3 from Alessandria. We are going down to check out. Nas is waiting for us. We will take Uber, go to the train station and go to Cairo.
We did it!
We have arrived in Cairo. It took us a couple of hours, like 2.5 or 3, and we are here. صباح الخير.
We are in
Tower time has come. Yay! Hello.
Hello. No, I need to continue my story. Sit down.
You want us to?
Yeah, I need you to finish your story. Now I can sit down.
يلا 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 يلا.
Hello and greetings from Cairo Tower. So we had to wait around 2 hours to come upstairs to the Cairo Tower because the waiting line was big and it's only allowed 5 people per time to use the elevator. But it's definitely worth it. We can see the pyramids from very, very far away. It's a little bit foggy, so I doubt that it's gonna be seen on camera. And it's also praying time, so we can see here from all the mosques the prayers. It's really, really nice. Hello again, it's us from Gap Restaurant. It's a franchise in Egypt. It's really good. It's well tried, and we are having here bread.
Bread is everything we have.
Yeah.
We are so hungry, we are starving. Welcome to God. Now you will get jealous. Look how beautiful they are now. No, don't look, don't look. Don't go ask for the price. It might be a little bit cheaper. So you.
All these men are actually selling them for 150. Oh, they have a lot more. And you said it takes you around 3 days to make them, right? 3 days for one of them. Wow.
Small, 3 days.
And how many days it takes you for this one?
This 3 weeks.
3 weeks?
Yes.
Oh, wow. 3 weeks is a lot. They make a lot. And it's a little bit outside from the main market. So beautiful.
This different size tomorrow.
This one, what is this? They said like people from like in the past they came here to collect the money, to collect the water and save it here. And there is a guy responsible to give the people in this city the water.
Walking in the streets of Cairo, Medina. It's around 11 and everything is closed, even though those streets were full of people and small stands selling herbs, jewelry, nice traditional souvenirs. With full, and we also have another mini sandwich with falafel.
Yes. One is full, one is empty.
We are sitting like this, and we are going to Cairo.